Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a picture into Microsoft Word. So how you can insert a picture. So yeah, before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up here. This is a Word document. As you can see, it's empty. So let's just type something. Let's say you type that, right, and then you have that, just a random text, right? So now let's say you want to add a picture down here, right? So there is two ways you can do that, right? I'm going to show you the longest way and then the shortest way. So the longest way to add a picture, you can click on come on insert right here in this tab. Make sure you have that, and then come into click on picture, right? Once you click on that, now this should open up. So it's going through your computer, find the picture that you want to upload. Let's say I want to click on that. Just click on that picture and then click on insert, right? You are insert the picture right there. So now, as you can see, if you click on it and try to move it, it's not moving, right? So now you can add formats to this picture. For you to be able to move it, you can, let's say, position, make it, put it, let's say, behind. So once you put it behind the text, now you see you can be able to move it freely. But that's how you insert the picture. Just click on insert, click the picture, and then select the picture, and then you insert it, right? That's the longest way. You can format this picture, make it small, or enlarge it, make it big. That's all your format. Just make sure the picture is selected, right? You can also click on format. If you want to crop it, you can come here and then you can click on that, the crop, and then you can crop it out whichever way. And then once you're done, just click on that. As you can see, you crop up that part down here. So that's the longest way you can add a picture. Now the shortest way is just make sure you are on there where you want to add the picture, and then come into your computer, whichever picture you want, find the picture, right? You have that picture. Now let's say I want to insert this, right? So come here, I'm just selecting this and then drag it, come here, open this, and then just drop it down there, right? Now once you drop it, you see it's not here, right, which means it's down here. So you have to add formats to it, right? That's there. You got that. Done. So now add format to this picture right here. So okay, want to make sure you it's selected, right? Come into format, and then you want to text. You want to put it behind the text, right? And then now you see you got it right there. You can format it, make it a bit smaller, or you can crop it out the same way. Click on crop and then crop it. Make sure you got that. Now you got that, right? You can crop it out as well. Click on crop and then you can crop it down there. You got that. Now you added that image, and then this one, let's say, align them, make sure they are aligned. You can now move them around perfect. So yeah, that's how you add a picture into Microsoft Word. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.